Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the first lesson and I'm going to show you how to create a new document inside Illustrator. So when you first open your Illustrator, you will have something like this. I'm using the latest version of the Illustrator, which is 2020. If you have an older version, your opening screen may be different, but I'm sure everything else will be the same. So for now, let's go close this one and go to the Create New. With this one, you can create a new document. This one will open a new window for you. Over here, you can see all kinds of presets for the documents. We have the recent one, saved one. We have the presets for the mobile, all kinds of mobile. You also have some free templates from the Creative Cloud that you can use. Then we have the web, all kind of the presets of the web and also some of the templates that you can use. For the print, we have these and we have these templates that you can use. For the film and video, we have all of these and these templates. For the art and illustrations, we have this and these templates. For now, let's go to the recent. I'm going to use the common one. One of them is in pixel and the other one is on the inch. You just put these details. First thing, we are going to put a name for our document. I'm going to name it first project. And then you can change the width and the height as you like, and then change the pixels to inches or anything. Over here you have the orientation. I will use the landscape, and the number of the artboards, I will keep it at 1, but you can add as much as artboard that you want. Then bleed, I'm not going to touch it. Color mode, I'm going to make it RGB. If you're using for the print, you are going to use the CMYK. By the way, you can close and expand the advanced options. Over here we have the resolution. We have the highest is 300 ppi and the lowest is 32. I will keep it like this. And if you want more options, we have it over here, but we are not going to touch it. Now press on the create. So when you're first inside the Illustrator, you will have something like this. Here we have the work area, the artboard, and we have the interface. All of the panels and the tools are over these areas. In the Illustrator, we have a lot of panels. These panels are buried and attached to different places. We have a lot of panels over here. You can change the position of each panel the way that you want. For example, I can detach this one, just click on it and move it around. I detach it from this panel, and now I can move it. And when I see this blue line, I can touch it to this one. Then I can detach it again, move it over here if I want. I can take one of these panels if I want. I can also take all of them together like this and then touch it to this area. Now let me detach it again and touch it to this one, just like this. Now I want the properties to be in its place again. I will just put it over here. You can also expand and make this panel smaller. Basically, you have the complete control over the interface of Illustrator. You can change it as you want and as you desire. For me, I'm going to keep it like this. I will just move this properties out from this one, and I want to move it to its original area, which is behind the other panel, not this one. Just like this. In the other side, you have the toolbar. You can expand it like this, or you can detach it. I'll keep it in its place. Now if you go to the window menu, we have all of the panels over here. Anything that you want, you can enable it. For example, the pattern, I enable it, and I want to touch it to this one or remove it. I'll go to the align. I'll just bring it and put it over this area. Now we have alignment options over here. Again, if you go to the window and then workspace, we have all of these pre-made workspaces. We have the layout. Then you have the painting and many others. You can choose what you want. You can also create your own. For example, now you are in the essentials. If I want to change this, for example, I will put these layers over here and also make my toolbar like this. Then go to the window, workspace, and new workspace. I will name this Alan. Now if you go to the workspace and go to the essential classics, it will not change because we made change over this. Now go to the window, workspace, and reset the Essential Classic. Now it's like before. Now if you go to the workspace, you can see the preset that we just created. And just like this, we created our own workspace. Depending on your needs and preferences, just like this, you can create your own workspaces. For me, I will keep it on the Classic Essential for now. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about the artboards. See you there.